Suno AI promo codes, are there any? 2026. Hey everyone, welcome back. So you've been looking for Suno AI promo codes to get a discount or some free credits, and you want to know if they actually exist in 2026. Let me give you a straight, honest answer in this video so you don't waste any more time searching. Let's get into it. The honest answer here is the truth. As of 2026, Suno AI does not publicly distribute promo codes or discount codes through coupon sites or third-party platforms. If you have been searching on Google and finding websites claiming to have working Suno promo codes, those are almost always fake, expired, or clickbait pages trying to get your traffic. Do not waste your time entering random codes from unverified sources. Official free tier here is the good news though. Suno AI already has a genuinely generous free plan built right in. When you sign up for a free account, you get a daily allocation of credits that refresh every single day automatically. That means you can create music with Suno AI every day without paying anything. For casual users and people just exploring the platform, the free tier is more than enough to get real value out of the tool. Where legitimate deals do come from, the only place legitimate Suno discounts or bonus credits have ever come from is directly through Suno's official channels. That means their official website at Suno.com, their official Discord server, their email newsletter, and their social media accounts on X and Instagram. Suno occasionally runs promotions for new users, seasonal offers, or special events, and those get announced through these channels first. Following them directly is genuinely the best way to catch a real deal when one drops. Referral and partnership programs. Another thing worth checking is whether Suno has an active referral program at the time you are watching this. Some AI platforms offer bonus credits when you refer a friend or when a creator shares a sign-up link with their audience. Check Suno's official website and Discord for any current referral opportunities because these come and go and can be a great way to earn extra credits without paying. Is Pro worth it if you are using Suno heavily and the free tier is not enough? The Pro and Premier plans are actually very reasonably priced for what you get. You unlock significantly more credits, commercial usage rights, and priority generation. Rather than hunting for promo codes that likely do not exist, the subscription price is genuinely fair for serious music creators. So to wrap it up, real Suno promo codes are essentially non-existent right now. Use the free daily credits, follow Suno's official channels for any real promotions, and consider the Pro plan if you need more. Do not fall for fake coupon sites. If this saved you some time, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.